We're going to swap the engine air filter on a 2016 VW Golf Sportwagen. That engine air filter is housed in this engine air filter housing, which is held together by 8 T25 Torx bit screws. Note that as you back those screws out, they are meant to stay seated in the top half of the engine air filter housing, so they'll only back out maybe a half inch or an inch. So don't try to force them further out so they come out all the way. This is just quality German engineering that keeps you from losing these screws when you're swapping out your engine filter. There are a few sensors and an air duct attached to the top of this housing, but you don't need to remove them to get at the engine air filter. Just back out all 8 screws and gently pry up on the right side to access the filter. Now, if your filter's seated in there stubbornly like it was for me, you can use pliers to help you get a grip on the corner. Once you get that filter out, take a moment to compare your replacement part to the original filter just to make sure you got the right part. In my case, I got a K&N Performance filter, which has the same height and width, but it's a bit shallower intentionally than the OEM filter. Whichever replacement part you chose, go ahead and put that back in the housing now, button that housing back up with its 8 T25 Torx bit screws, and enjoy your new engine filter. Here's one final pan around of that housing in case there was still any question about the placement of these 8 T25 Torx bit fasteners. Also, if you're interested in seeing more videos on maintaining your Golf Sportwagen or other vehicles, check out these playlists. And of course, feel free to subscribe to the Hanoi Hancock channel by clicking here.